All right, and this I'm just going to do a real quick tutorial here on how to resize your monitor clones. I created two monitor clones here from my multi-view monitor, and I can resize them to fit on my secondary monitor here by simply just grabbing the corner, and they'll resize and stretch to that. That's one way to do it. But if I want to do it real quickly, Windows 11 has a feature that allows you to tile with pre-configured tiling. And there's two ways you can do it. One is you can drag until you see a shadow like that, and then just release, and you got one there. And then we can do the same thing on the other corner. Now, sometimes, in this case, I have two monitors. It's a kind of a difficult way to, it wants to do the whole thing, but you have to play with it a little bit. And I find this to be a little bit kind of awkward. So they have the pre-configured ability. If you pull up, you can see you have different tile configurations. So I'm just going to put this right over on that side, and there I've got it. And if I just, then I can go ahead and of course play my videos as I would. And then if I wanted to get rid of the, keep them in place and lock them, I just hit the F8 key, and now I cannot move them by accident, see. And in fact, if I wanted to add another video, I'll clone a third video here, and I can just do the same thing here and see if I can see it's difficult. So I'm going to use the tiling feature, and I'm going to just put that one, do it like that. Okay, and there we go. We got the third one on the right. If I had a fourth one, but I can always resize these two. And then of course if I'm on the select the clone itself. Let me just put that back. If I'm on the main monitor, the main multi-view monitor screen, if I hit F8, it'll bring the all the borders back. Anyway, that's a real quick way to do your multi-view monitor placement, and very practical and fast once you get the hang of it. So that should do it. Thank you.